Okay, so what we have today is a Devo-M flight controller for a Walkera QRX350. This one's had the telemetry mod done, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I've changed the way the telemetry mod connections come out of the Devo-M. Instead of running it through the hole in the side, I'm now appropriating two of the unused motor output pin headers for the 5 volts and the transmit and receive connection to come out of the Devo-M and go to the minimum OSD or minimum OSD and the 3DR telemetry module. So I have it connected to a USB cord that goes to my PC with a plug that I made that adapts it and lets me connect these and test these. So I'm just going to cycle the power on it, and we're going to go test Mission Planner. And I'm going to test the USB connection first, and we're going to use COM64 for that, the Arduino Mega, and we're going to do it while the telemetry module is connected to the flight controller. And as it gets params like this, if you look at the telemetry module, we can see the orange light flashing. That's the data light. Even when you're connecting to USB, you're going to see the data light when you have data moving across, even on the USB side. So that's Mission Planner with USB connection active, ready to go. Just like we were connected with USB, we can get to any of the settings we want to go to. Flight modes, we can do waypoints, follow me, all that good stuff. So let's disconnect and let's go test the telemetry connection. That's going to be the Silicon Labs COM4. And now it's pulling params. And everything I just talked about with the USB we'll be able to do with telemetry. The only thing that we can't do with telemetry is flash firmware. And we also can't do terminal. We have to use a USB to make terminal work, the terminal, and to do any firmware flashes. But everything else we can do with USB, we can now do with telemetry. Now, with the connections coming out of the Devo-M like this, we can now unplug them from this side, and we can also unplug them from this end. And I've made these connections now to where we can pull these wires out of the landing gear and take the landing gear off. Before, the plug that we were using wouldn't fit through the hole. So now we've got this to where these are singles, and this one will move right through it so the landing gear can come off.